Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside the race or lobby. Press the Options button to pause. Once paused, move straight to Settings. This is where Gran Turismo keeps voice and sound toggles. You choose Audio if you see voice items there, or Accessibility when the game separates narration controls. Either path leads to the same goal. Make sure you don't exit the menu prematurely, because the toggle you need is deep in these panels and only visible when you're in Settings. Once in the right submenu, scan for labels like narration, voice guidance, or race commentary. Developers sometimes rename this feature. You will see a toggle or list option, highlight narrator and set it to off. If there's a confirmation prompt, accept it so the change saves. You're doing this to stop spoken prompts during menus and races. Turning it off leaves music and sound effects intact. If options look different, keep looking in both audio and accessibility sections. After toggling off, back out to the race or lobby and listen. Narration should be gone. If you still hear spoken guidance, check your PlayStation system settings under Accessibility for Screen Reader. The console-level reader can override game settings. Once both are off, restart the game. Sometimes GT7 needs a reload to stop audio streams. If problems persist, reinstalling updates or resetting game settings will clear conflicting presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.